Come join my husband and I as we have this amazing date at Palo Steak on the Disney Treasure. We started off the night at the Rose Lounge, which is located on that top floor at the same level as Enchante and Paolo. We went into this gorgeous restaurant. We show you our amazing dishes that we ordered. We even had A5 wagyu, y'all. It was incredible. We walk you through the whole experience. The dessert, which was the souffle, and then they put the sauces in the souffle and they put the gelato on top of it. It was incredible. We hope you enjoy.
Please subscribe to our channel and like and comment on the videos. It would bless us so much. Thank you.
We dropped the kids off over Oceaneer Club and then headed over to this adult-only area. Look who we ran into.
And we get off the elevator and there's Pluto. Hi, Pluto. Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, here. Here you are. I am. Bye.
Okay, one of the favorite things I love about this ship. Oh, look, I don't remember this on the Wish. And it's just like another world of adulting. Yay! Yay! I love being in the East. Oh, that's cute. The little footstool. Lugia. Cogsworth. I love it here. And Belle. I feel like it's different pictures than the Wish. Oh, it is different, because on the Wish this is red. Oh, that's cool. Wow, look at those Christmas decorations. I gotta take it. Oh, that's so beautiful. Oh, baby, this is like our first adult date here. Thanks for being right here.
Yeah, it was, right?
Yeah, literally. This is great.
The Rose is this gorgeous space on all the Triton class ships of the Disney Cruise Line. So it's located on 12 aft, which is the back of the ship, and it is adult only and basically the entrance to Enchante and Palo, their adult themed specialty dining restaurants.
I don't remember these roses being up here. That's really cool. Sean just pointed that out. Good eye, Sean.
What's
We're
that?
actually gonna order that you pointed out the roses up there. Oh my gosh, there's the rose art. That's so beautiful. And then I don't remember this on the Wish, but it's almost like this stained glass from Beauty and the Beast. Right there.
We decided to share a cocktail before heading out to our dining reservation, and the menu here is pretty interesting. They have some unique selections. We decided to get the Rose, which they are known for, and it is gorgeous.
Oh, wow. Oh, thank you, madam. Thank you. You ready? Mm-hmm. Wow, amazing. Oh, it smells like...
It smells good.
Oh, wow, it smells divine. All right, let's taste it.
Debbie and Rose.
That is so good.
Is it good? Yeah.
I can't... Is there brandy? Is there bourbon in that?
Is there bourbon?
I don't know. Okay, clearly I do not know my alcohol. It's tequila, Grand Marnier, and rosé.
Oh,
Here, try it, babe.
Makes sense to think what age it is.
Okay, babe. Tell me what you think.
Good evening.
What do you think? It's different, right?
Yeah. Very
good.
crispy, very good. Very cold.
Very cold. Okay. Last time was Enchante, and now it's Paolo. Oh, thank you.
Hello, very good evening. Welcome.
Good evening.
Welcome.
Oh,
Buonasera.
thank you. Good evening. Look how pretty. Oh, wow. And even the wreaths here are different.
Yeah.
Oh, the detail. I love it. I know. We were so happy.
Just feel the Christmas vibe, yeah.
So this is Cogsworth, and then Enchante is Lumiere. Look at this. So amazing. Oh, this is so much more warm than Enchante. I mean, I love Enchante.
Our, table, if you want to go quick look for the back side. To see
Yeah.
more design, and you can come back here.
Thank you.
Definitely check out the backside.
Yeah, that is enchanté over there. Let's go check it out. No, actually, I think this is the private dining room.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this is the private dining room for Paolo.
I did not know that.
They do. Stunning.
Wow, that's
What a
really
fun
nice.
thing to do.
Yeah.
A lot of people get married here and then have their wedding reception here, which is so smart. You know what?
Like here in the back and then that private dining room.
The fewer people at a wedding, the better, honestly. If we had to do it again, that's the way we would do it. Wow.
Yeah.
It was in 1998, and then a year after, we continued with the Disney Wonder. Yeah, those two ships we built in Italy.
Gotcha.
The company is very admired of the beauty of the Sea of the Venice, so we brought up the theme in our dining room, which is named Palo. Palo is the pole, the
Yeah.
one that we tied up the gondola.
Yeah.
And then we continue the legacy throughout all the fleets. So whatever Disney ship you on, it's gonna be Palo. But like Remy, you mentioned, we transform into Enchanté.
Gotcha.
And this Palo Steakhouse is inspired by the Cogsworth, the grumpy yet friendly guy from the Beauty and the Beast, along with a nice rose. It's from the bell. And if you realize that chair has a clock handle,
Yeah.
and in the back of this chamber, the dome, it has a clock handle.
It has a
Why
what?
so many, even the chandelier is a clock here.
Oh,
The
wow.
Cogsworth is quite famous around here.
See, right? Gears.
Oh, wow.
We put every single detail
Yeah.
That's what we love about Disney.
just to bring you to be in the story itself.
Yeah.
Disney details now.
Disney self up details. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
My husband and I had been snacking all day, so we weren't really hungry. So we decided to just order off the a la carte menu, but they do have a prefix menu here as well. So I'm showing a screenshot. And then there were two dishes that we wanted that were not on the prefix menus, which is another reason we decided to order a la carte. But both are really good options, and each has different pros and cons. So we are going to order off this, and we're going to get the gnocchi, the pappardelle, and the Japanese A5 wagyu. Right, yeah.
You can
And
never
then
pass. You
spinach.
never pass on A5 Wagyu.
Well, especially Japanese,
Oh, you just can't.
because you can find A5 wagyu,
Anywhere now. Between
yeah,
American and Australian. For
which
sure.
is pretty good, but nothing beats Japanese. Nope. So Sean, this reminds me, when we were in Crotona, we went to this beautiful restaurant. It was really good, and this guy they made their own sausage, and then he came and he brought it over. Show me what he said.
Yeah, you must have the sausage. You must have it. You must have it. And he held it low. You must have it.
He did. He had it on a plate, and then he cut it in front of us. Okay, this is from a Psalm bin. What? Okay, thank you. We're excited. We're excited.
One little Disney Cruise Line hack and secret is to order off the sommelier bin. You only pay $13 for a glass of wine that could otherwise cost you like $40. So make sure you take advantage of this. It's a great deal.
Welcome from the chef.
Oh,
Would like to welcome you all to our table with the amuse-bouche.
amuse-bouche.
There you go.
And this is like a proper amuse-bouche because it's
What
one
it
bite.
is, this one is a fried homemade gnocchi. Yeah, they coating with delicious creamy mushroom sauce, and they drizzle with parmesan cheese.
It looks like mushrooms. I was. Oh,
Thank you so much.
beautiful.
That's so kind of you
Fasten
guys.
the seatbelt
Thank
and let the magic begin.
All right. Well, tell Chef thank you so much. That's so kind.
Yeah,
Thank you.
very
Thank you.
much.
You can try some of it. See what my husband thinks.
Yeah. Okie dokie, time for gnocchi.
What do you think?
It's horrible. I'll eat yours if you want.
Okay, that means it's good.
And it has the flat Italian bread which is they made it out of the Caputo flour, one of the best brand flour in Italy. It's very less carb. It's not gonna make you feeling in the beginning. And they top up with delicious parsley, dash of a little bit seasoning, garlic, and then olive oil. And then the next one we have a nice Parmesan lavash, the flat one, crispy. And this is rosemary sticks.
Thank you. Okay, this might be an ignorant question, but how is this different than focaccia? Is it
The difference that we use is the flour. That's the main thing.
main difference? Okay,
The
got
main
it.
difference, yeah.
Okay, so is this the same flour they use for pastas, like the 00 flour? Or
Exactly.
yes. Okay, got it. Okay, cool.
Excellent.
I'm learning. All right.
You know, enjoying without feeling guilty.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Very good.
Thank you,
Okay,
Doc.
cool.
You're very welcome.
Thank you.
Bon appetit.
He wasn't kidding. Right out of the oven. But holy cow,
The smell is like,
so strong
it's
garlic.
hypnotizing. It's so good.
It's so good.
I would wear this as a cologne if they made it. Seriously.
It's really good. It's like their pizza. I don't know. It makes me
I just want to smell it.
look at that.
Pappardelle.
Gnocchi and the pappardelle
Pappardelle.
Like lobster.
with the lobster.
The one on the
We're
gnocchi,
gonna
we
share.
have a nice toasted cherry tomatoes, some toasted pine nuts, and some greens as a garnish. And this one we'll coating with a nice tarragon sauce and a little bit of this small piece of your lobster tail with a nice little bit of gremolata. And the orange part is your salmon caviar.
Beautiful, stunning.
Beautiful.
Thank
May I
you.
use some pressed pepper?
Okay, this gnocchi is so good and light, which is interesting because usually gnocchi is very heavy. Babe, what do you think of the pappardelle? It's so good. Okay, we're gonna switch dishes. We're sharing everything.
The sauce.
The sauce
If
is
they made it
good.
into a drink, I would order it. It's ridiculous.
So good.
The noodles
Yeah,
are
well,
so
wait till you try the
fresh.
gnocchi.
Everything's house made.
So good. Okay, I can't wait to try it. Okay, I can't even believe how much lobster you get. The whole lobster tail. And then you get salmon caviar in this beautiful homemade pasta dish for like $20. Same thing with this. The gnocchi. Amazing. The prices, I mean, if you're going to have a fine dining experience, do it on a Disney ship because you're not going to find prices like this.
Like absurd in a good way.
Yeah, like how much is wagyu? A5 wagyu?
Normally it's like 25 to 30 an ounce.
Yeah,
I think we use like $60 for 6 ounces. Which
Crazy.
Is like, yeah.
crazy.
Japanese A5 too.
Yeah, crazy. Okay, so check out this glass. It's like Belle's dress. Is there an inspiration behind this glass? It looks like
The
Belle's.
shape is look like the Cogsworth itself. It's inspired from the Mr. Cogsworth.
Gotcha.
Yes. So we're finished with the
Disney
bottom. Would you like
details.
to go with the next one or just?
So I love that it's Cogsworth. It's like a clock, but it's also a hidden Mickey. Love it.
Ooh, Bonfi. We went to that winery and
We did. We went to
did?
Bonfi.
Yeah,
Yep,
in Tuscany.
it's in
it
Tuscany.
was back in 2019.
You
Yeah,
already made your trip to.
We went to
Europe.
Tuscany. Yeah, we went to Bonfi.
Nice.
we did.
Very nice winery.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy.
That is crazy.
I hope it's meeting your expectation.
Yeah, that's so cool.
The one.
Oh,
Make some now.
A5
It's your,
wagyu. Wow.
Beautiful A5 wagyu.
Now, what is that puree?
It's a Borolo sauce now.
It's what?
It's a Borolo sauce. The Borolo.
Oh,
Alright. Just a brush, just a decoration only. Won't changing the flavor. There you go.
thank you. Oh
You're welcome.
my gosh, look at that. All right, babe. What do you think? It's at the A5.
Like butter.
It's so good. Okay, the last time we had Japanese A5 Wagyu, I think, was in California when they actually brought it from Japan. So I'm excited to try this. Can't wait.
The A5 Wagyu is a treat and it's just cooked perfectly here.
Let me present you our beautiful chocolate souffle.
Oh boy.
It smells really.
Oh yeah.
Smells.
I wish we
And
had,
wonderful.
we could smell through the phone.
I will do the presentation for you if you don't mind.
No, I don't mind.
Please.
We're waiting until it gets to the perfect puffy point, and then we bring it right away from the oven for you. And the first thing we do is gonna be here, releasing the calorie. The calories out.
Releasing the calories.
Releasing the calories.
Releasing the Disney calories.
So while you're enjoying, you don't have to feel guilty about it, alright? That's the main point. And then this is for your vanilla bean sauce and some chocolate sauce.
And then adding calories back in.
Exactly.
Vanilla and chocolate.
Keep it balanced.
Holy
A whole
cannoli.
new swirl.
A whole new
Nice. I'll leave it some over here if you like some more. And then this is for your homemade vanilla bean gelato. You know how to drop it?
No, I never did this.
Just
First time.
drop it like a tart.
That's a perfect seal. Good job, Johnny.
Voila. All right.
Grazie, signore.
Now I want you to all celebrate this big moment.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
This dessert was not your typical lava cake. In fact, it really wasn't a lava cake. It was a souffle. And it was absolutely to die for. I mean, I love chocolate raspberry, and then you add gelato to it. I mean, does it really get better? I don't think so. What is going on? Oh, that's so beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Would you like to hold on to it and I take a picture?
Paolo presented us with this gorgeous plate. My husband and I, we were celebrating our anniversary a little late, and it was so much fun. We then headed back to the hall, saw these pictures, and decided to take pictures like the pictures. We were just being goofy. It was fun. And then we headed out to the kids and enjoyed the rest of our day. You can see that in another video that we have. I hope you enjoyed and you have a blessed day. Please subscribe to our channel and like and comment on our video if you enjoyed its content. Here's another video we think you'll enjoy. Have a blessed day.